Hello and welcome to my channel. For any recipes and instructions, see bottom page. These roast potatoes are elevated with fresh rosemary, sage and a patch of chicken stock to keep them moist while roasting. The results? Perfectly golden, crisp edge potato with a soft fluffy center. Side dish that pairs beautifully with any main course. Instruction: peel the potato and place them in water to prevent browning. Reduce excess starch for extra crispiness and lower potassium, diet friendly. Cut into bite-sized square. Rinse, then strain well. In a bowl, toss potato with rosemary, sage, sea salt, and white pepper. Line a baked tray with parchment paper. Spread out the potato, drizzle with olive oil, and give them a light shake to cover evenly. Pour chicken stock over potato, then cover tray with aluminum foil. Bake at 450 Fahrenheit conventional roast for 30 minutes. Remove foil and bake for another 15 minutes until golden and crisp. Enjoy hot alongside your favorite main course.